the Gotham Batmobile. The Gotham TV series Batmobile is a unique outlier, designed by Ford, not Bruce Wayne. It's a Mustang GT with a matte black finish. Despite its 460 horsepower, it lacks the iconic Batmobile essence. The Snyderverse Batmobile. Zack Snyder's Batmobile, seen in Batman v Superman and Justice League, feels like a cheap imitation. With garish armor and exposed machine guns, it lacks the distinctiveness of the Tumbler. Its rear-mounted grappling hook is its only saving grace. The Christopher Nolan Tumbler Batmobile. Christopher Nolan's Tumbler makes a thrilling entrance in Batman Begins. However, its tank-like design feels too serious. Despite its arsenal, it doesn't mesh well with the film's tone, making it feel out of place. The Batman and Robin. Batmobile. Joel Schumacher Batman and Robin Batmobile is a comic book spectacle designed by Harold Belker. Its glowing engine and giant wings are memorable but cartoonish. Its roadster design suits toys more than crime fighting. The Adam West Batmobile. The 1960s Adam West Batmobile is iconic yet campy. Based on the Lincoln Futura, its gadgets are toy-like. However, its emergency bat-turn lever, allowing 180-degree turns, is undeniably cool. The Batman Forever Batmobile. Tim Flattery's Batman Forever Batmobile strikes a balance between camp and cool. With an over-the-top aero package and glowing powertrain, it looks like a speeding missile. Unfortunately, it doesn't survive the film. The Batman Batmobile. The 2022 Batmobile, driven by Robert Pattinson, is a muscle car-inspired powerhouse. Its battering ram front end and afterburner engine make it a fearsome presence on Gotham streets. The Tim Burton Batmobile. Tim Burton's Batmobile is the ultimate design, with an Art Deco look and comic book gadgets. It's a speed machine. Its Batmobile transformation in tight spots is unmatched, making it the quintessential Batmobile.